Okay, pulled out of the box. Not too heavy. The scooter's it's definitely a good 25 pounds or more. Feels like a 25-pound plate, just oblong, good size. We've got instruction manual in the bottom. This was housing the plug. Very nicely packaged, very securely packaged. Okay, specifications. Electric slide, intelligent travel. Specification, run and fun. I like it. We have basic instructions, product accessories. So we're gonna check all of these out and see what we got going on. Make sure we have everything. Electric quantity display, assembly instructions. We got it. Unfolding. Yeah, good. Simple instruction manual, not that many pages. Safety instructions, you got it. Daily maintenance, cleaning and maintenance. I love it when it's a small section. I mean, it's just not a lot. All right, so let's get this sucker assembled.